Hi, it's Dan from the Sink Warehouse Kitchen Centre. I'm going to be assembling the 600 wall cabinet. The tools that we're going to need for doing the job are a Stanley knife for cutting open the flat pack and a cordless drill for doing up the screws. So the first step we need to do is open up the flat pack and lay out all of the components ready for assembly. All of the flat packs come with a set of instructions, so be sure to follow them step by step. Here's the pack of the small components. This has got the 35mm screws, the timber dowels, the cover caps and the shelf supports. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the top of the cardboard packaging. I'm going to flatten it and that will become my working surface, and that will protect the cabinet parts as well as the flooring. A handy little tip for keeping all the small components together is to have a little container. So I'm going to use this takeaway container. Okay, the first step is taking one of the cabinet sides, placing that down and fitting our first 6 dowels. Now we're ready to fit the top, the bottom and the back panel. I like to just line up the front edge, check that the dowel holes line up, and then push it into position. Now for our back panel, you can see on this side we've got the countersunk pre-drilled holes, so we know they go to the outside. And now we're ready for our next 6 dowels. Okay, final cabinet end. I just roughly line that up. Then I just have a look and make sure all the dowels are aligned. Okay, give it a tap. And we're ready to put the screws in. Okay, with our first side panel secured, we're going to carefully flip it over so it can secure the other side. I'm going to come around to do the final screws, which go into the back. And the final step is to fit the adjustable shelf. So we'll start with fitting the 4 shelf supports. And there's a series of 5 pre-drilled holes to choose from. I'm just going to fit these shelf supports in the central hole. Okay. Slide our adjustable shelf in. And that's the 600 wall cabinet complete.